If you're tired of the same old boring chicken, you have to try this. Seriously, this garlic Parmesan chicken is so juicy, so crispy, and so packed with flavor. It's going to blow your mind. It's the kind of meal that makes you feel like a pro chef, but it's secretly super easy. Ready to make the best chicken of your life? Let's get into it. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 1 pound of chicken tenders for the coating. Grab half a cup of all-purpose flour, 2 large eggs, and 1 cup of panko breadcrumbs. For that amazing flavor, you'll need half a cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, and half a teaspoon each of salt and black pepper. Finally, you'll need about 3 tablespoons of olive oil for cooking and for the incredible sauce. You'll want 4 tablespoons of melted butter, 3 minced garlic cloves, and 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped parsley. Alright, let's start by setting up our breading station. We need 3 shallow dishes. In the first one, mix the flour with the salt and pepper. In the second, beat the 2 eggs. And in the third, combine the panko breadcrumbs, grated Parmesan, garlic powder, and oregano. Give that a good mix to make sure all those flavors are evenly distributed. This combo is what's going to give us that perfect crunchy, savory crust. Now, take each chicken tender and coat it in the flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Then dip it into the beaten eggs, making sure it's fully coated. Finally, press the chicken tender firmly into the panko and Parmesan mixture. Make sure it's completely covered on all sides. This is the secret to getting that ultra crispy texture we're all craving. Repeat this process for all your chicken tenders and set them aside on a plate. Time to cook. Heat the olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place the chicken tenders in the pan. Be sure not to overcrowd it. Cook in batches if you need to. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they are beautifully golden brown and cooked through. Once they're done, transfer them to a wire rack to keep them crispy while you make the sauce. For the grand finale, the garlic Parmesan butter sauce. In a small bowl, whisk together the melted butter, mince fresh garlic, and chopped parsley. Drizzle this glorious sauce all over your crispy chicken tenders. Toss them gently to coat every single piece. The smell alone is absolutely divine. And there you have it, restaurant quality garlic Parmesan chicken tenders made right in your own kitchen. Serve them up hot and just wait for the compliments to roll in. If you loved this recipe and want to see more easy and delicious meals, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for cooking with me.